Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Chase credit card account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type creditcards.chase.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage for Chase credit cards. You can scroll down and look at all the credit cards provided, but for now we only want to sign in to our account. On the navbar at the very top, you will find something called as sign in. Simply click on it. A new page will open up regarding our sign in process. Right here at the right section of the page, it's going to ask you to enter your username and password. In case you forgot either your username or password, click on this button right here and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's enter our credentials. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and then you'll be logged in to your Chase credit card account. Do note that you can also use tokens to log in. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to your Chase credit card account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.